Welcome everyone to BTT 151, Fundamentals of Electricity. I'd like to go over your Unit 11 homework solutions. Question 1, capacitors contain insulating materials known as a dielectric. Question 2, the energy of the capacitor is stored in the dielectric in the form of an electrostatic charge. Question 3, air is assigned the dielectric constant of 1, and air is always used as a reference for other dielectrics. Question 4. The basic unit of capacitance is the farad. Question 5. A capacitor is sometimes referred to as a microfarad capacitor. New term would be picofarad. Question number 6. Capacitors store a charge and then discharge at a rate defined by an exponential function. Question 7. Non-polarized capacitors are often referred to as AC capacitors because they are not sensitive to any specific polarity configuration. Question 8. Polarized capacitors are generally referred to as electrolytic capacitors, meaning proper polarity has to be maintained. Question 9. A dielectric test is often referred to as a high-pot test. High-pot standing for high potential or high voltage. Question 10, I'm sorry. What is the formula for capacitive reactance? X sub C is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi multiplied by the frequency multiplied by the value of the capacitor. Question 11. A 35 microfarad capacitor is connected to a 120 volt 60 hertz line. How much current will flow in this circuit? Well, what we want to do, again, specified values, 35 microfarad capacitor, 120 volts AC, 60 hertz frequency. X sub C is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi multiplied by the frequency multiplied by the value of capacitance. We plug those numbers in. And always remember, again, convert to base units. So microfarad is going to be 10 to the minus 6. So I plug these numbers in and I'm going to get a capacitive reactance of 75.8 ohms. Final step in the problem, using Ohm's law, solving for current. I is equal to voltage V divided by X sub C, that value of capacitive reactance. So I plug these numbers in and I get a current of 1.58 amps. And then lastly, question number 12. Inductive VARs and capacitive VARs, and remember VARs, volt amperes reactive, are 180 electrical degrees out of phase with each other. Thank you.